grade. In the following news broadcast, we're going to go over some of the information that you'll need to know for this school year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Beasley from Sissonville Middle School. I'm a 7th grade math teacher. Here in the 7th grade wing, we do a program called the True Life program. It is a behavior program that is used to hold students accountable for their behavior, work ethic, and attendance. The True Life program also teaches students basic life skills such as writing checks, keeping a balance sheet, and spending money wisely. We will have more information about the True Life on Schoology.
Mrs. Lukart here to talk about the DASH. The DASH stands for Date, Assignment, Sponge, and Homework. For in-person learning, students will be required to write down the DASH for each of their classes. For e-learning, students will be required to answer the daily check-in challenge by 3 p.m. On to the next topic.
Hi, I'm Mr. Farrell, the 7th grade science teacher, and I'm going to talk to you about assignments. All assignments will be posted on Schoology and will be in weekly folders. Students will be required to check Schoology for daily assignments and any missing work.
Hello, my name is Miss Oldacre and I teach 7th grade English here at Sissonville Middle School. I'm going to be talking to you about class transitions. Students will be staggered in their hallway breaks to allow time for teachers to sanitize desks. Students will need to line up in the hallway at marked spots to make sure that they distance between their classes. Classes will be blocked so that students will only attend 3 of their core classes each day.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bailey. I'm here to talk about bathrooms. Students are expected to go to the bathroom during home base, where they'll be monitored by Mrs. G. We will also have scheduled times when the students go to the bathroom. It is important that students go to the bathroom during these times so they don't have to leave classes often.
Hi, I'm Miss G, and I'm here to talk to you about communication. Per the county's directive, all communication will be done through Schoology.
Hey, I'm Miss Alara, and I'm here to tell you about the materials that you are going to need for this school year.
This year in 7th grade, you will need tissues, hand sanitizer, earbuds, loose leaf paper, and a folder or binder. You will also need a pencil pouch with pencils, colored pencils, scissors, and a small handheld pencil sharpener.